This nomadic group lives so remotely that they all pause to watch a small plane fly over. For years, sharing the gospel with remote nomadic people groups has been a challenge. These groups follow their livestock and wander the land to survive. The Samburu people of Kenya are a semi-nomadic group with distinct, colorful clothing and a unique language. Their beads and clothing have deep historical roots in their culture. They move with their cattle, and the majority of people practice local ethnic religions. So how do you share the gospel with such an unreached people group that is always on the move? This tribe has benefited from the work of Lawrence, a global mission pioneer. Lawrence became an Adventist about 2 years ago and has dedicated his life to sharing the good news he learned. He studied with 2 pastors to fulfill the mission God called him to. He speaks the Samburu language, knows their customs, and can communicate God's word in a way that they understand. Over the past 2 years, this group has come to know the love of God and has accepted Jesus into their hearts. They meet under a tree every Sabbath to study and learn from Lawrence. This Sabbath, they learned about the story of Abraham and how he moved to a distant land. To the Samburu people, this journey across the land is a real part of their lives that they understand well. The Samburu people love to sing, and this group is no exception. They sing to worship and express their love for God. Quality time is valued, so they spend the day gathered together, telling stories, singing, and eating. Not far away are their homes, where the Samburu go to sleep at night. These homes are made of materials ranging from animal skins to empty rice bags. This type of home is valued because it can easily be packed up to move at a moment's notice. The Samburu people's homes are their safe spaces. They go here to be protected from dangerous animals like lions and elephants. Their homes are a refuge for the family, and to be invited into this space is a privilege. The Samburu people extend this privilege to Lawrence, allowing him to share lessons from the Bible in their homes. He visits them often, and they look forward to reading and praying with him. This Samburu group has come to know the love of God, but they are just one of the many nomadic groups throughout East Africa. Please pray for the unreached people groups in this region of the world. It is a challenge to spread the gospel among various cultures, languages, and groups. Pray for global mission pioneers like Lawrence, who have answered God's call to serve. Thank you for supporting Global Mission.